All service departments have 4 responsibilities. Okay, these are the basics: customer relations or customer experience, sales, production, quality control. What we want to do is we want to take those responsibilities and shove them down to the most effective level. And typically, the way that we structure the operation from an organizational standpoint, that's what we do. Quality control in a lot of stores now is an afterthought, all right? And when we start talking about quality, we ask, first of all, what's the definition of quality? And everybody wants to talk about quality as being the repair, but it's not always the repair. In our opinion, quality is defined as a complete elimination of human suffering. All right. So when I say that, people kind of chuckle with it, but here's my point. All right. We want to be able to produce an hour of labor in a store that nobody, from the customer to the advisor to the technician to the porter to the cashier, nobody suffers. Now we're being more efficient.